For the eyes, utilize colorful shadows and eyeliners to create a colorful halo eye, smoky shadow, or sultry smoky eye. Lining or dusting shades on the lower lash line and brow bone also adds color dimension. Crystal mineral pigments from brands like Makeup Geek and Shine by Stun provide colorful highlights and eyeshadow shades with a holographic, iridescent sheen. Highlight the brow bone, bridge of the nose and sternal notch for a multidimensional glow. For the lips, use tinted balms, lip creams, stains or pigmented lipsticks in boho shades like coral, terracotta, berry or plum. Natural makeup like freckles or mole dotting around the eyes using herbal stains also complete the girl meets nature persona. Loose powders set makeup without looking overdone or matte. Mineral makeup with natural powders sets sheer coverage. Powder blush and bronzer provides a soft, sun-kissed glow. Crystals lusted along the eyelids create blinding high gloss shine. Healing crystals signify wholeness and spiritual connection, a key element of boho fashion. Curl lashes to open up the eyes and complete the ethereal dream girl vibes. Use false lashes sparingly or individual dramatic flutter lashes for special occasions. Mascara and eyeliner in navy, teal, brown or forest green continue the colorful and natural essence. Leave some strands uncurled at the outer corner of eyes for a carefree, beach babe look. Loose waves, beachy sea salt sprayed styles and flower crowns provide textured hair inspiration. Fluctuate between natural and tailored fantasy styles with colors and headpieces. Beaded headbands, tropical leaf bands and macrame hair pieces keep hair from the face while adding boho charm. With a focus on colorful textures, luminous skin, loose and lived-in wavy hair as well as floral and crystal accents, you'll achieve an on-trend boho chic makeup and style. Stay steady with vibrant hues but keep coverage minimal and touchable. Embrace free-flowing, dreamy and ethereal qualities as you master makeup looks and style perfect for your boho babe persona. Have fun with it. Boho chic makeup is a great way to add a bit of fun and creativity to your look. Here's a guide to applying makeup for a boho chic look. First, you'll need to prep your skin. Make sure to cleanse your face to remove any dirt, oil, and makeup. Then, apply a light moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Next, you'll want to apply a primer. Primer helps to even out your skin tone and texture, and it also helps your makeup stay in place longer. Choose a primer that's suitable for your skin type. Then, you can start applying your makeup. Start with a light foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone.